Hello kids, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. Today, we're going to learn bathroom vocabulary. Come on, let's start. So, I'm going to show you some flashcards and please repeat after me. Do you know what's this? It's a wash basin. Repeat with me. Wash basin. And what about this one? It's a shower. Repeat with me. Shower. And this one, bathtub. Bathtub. This one I think you might know. Toilet. Toilet. Towels. Towels. Soap. Soap. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. And tap. Tap. That's it. Now it's time to see if you have learned all the vocabulary. Please record yourself saying all the words we learned today and also remember to do the worksheet that I'm sending. Bye bye.